Things are bad when people start fighting for food. That's exactly what is happening in the provinces of Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 1 kilogram of wheat flour is being sold for more than 160 Pakistani rupees. That's almost 25% higher than the cost in India. Now, before explaining why this crisis is happening, take a look at some of the scenes that are unfolding in Pakistan. What we are seeing on our screens is not just a shortage. At some places, what we are seeing is a food riot as well. Let's get some basic facts first. Wheat is the staple food in Pakistan. The average Pakistani consumes 125 kilograms of wheat per annum. It makes up 60% of their daily diet. But right now, there's a massive shortage of wheat. You can see the consequences on your screens right now. Pakistanis are fighting over a sack of flour. They are chasing food trucks on their bikes. There are stampedes and protests every day. People are lining up for hours to buy one bag of subsidized wheat, but most of them are returning empty-handed. In Balochistan, the government says it has run out of wheat supplies completely. They need 4 lakh sacks of wheat to avert a full-blown disaster. Let's hope the Pakistan government can sort this problem out ASAP and end these hunger games that are going on in their country.